na andu hindi ciothe tutura tunegenaga na kuruma thirikari na ndoka ndimwire atiriri thirikari tiyo thina tondu wa riri thirikari kiria mekaga monaga uteithio kuma kwi Ngai na magateithia andu riu andu handu ha kugarukira Ngai handu ha kwenyihia na kuhoya maroka na kwetha uteithio kuma kwi Ngai andu maretha uteithio kuma kwi President Ruto maretia uteithio kuma gwi thirikari ndi ha ngwire atiriri thirikari ndingihota guteithia na thirikari ni uteithio waku we moko-ini ma Jehova Ngai ro tura muoyo no ri wakumbire wothe wa muhoya ekugera he president ekugera he thirikari na bururi witu hone.
We are in the process of changing the law this week in Parliament so that the National Government Constituency Development Fund can now provide resources for the setting up of innovation and ICT hubs in every ward in Kenya. I have had a conversation with the chair of the ICT committee, KJ here. We had a long conversation. In fact, we had a meeting where we undertook and we even designed how these ICT and innovation hubs will look in every ward in Kenya. So when we say we are running with technology, we are not only digitizing government services, and we have 30,000 government services already digitized. By end of next month, we could possibly have every government service on a digital platform that you can access using technology. We're also expanding the use of technology into our education. As I said, ICT hubs will come in handy. We are also expanding the use of technology and innovation into our agriculture. For the first time this year, we delivered fertilizer using a digital platform, and it gave us wonderful results. For the first time, we managed to reduce pilferage, we managed to reduce the effect of brokers and cartels, and as a result, we have an above average harvest in Kenya because we were able to deliver our inputs in a very efficient manner using technology innovated by our own young people in Kenya. As I talk to you here, again, through Kenyan innovation, we have deployed technology across Kenya to gather data on our health requirements. As I talk to you, we have 100,000 gadgets, technology gadgets, with our community health promoters who are busy filling in data on situations of health across Kenya. Again, we are looking at how we can leverage on innovation, using technology to deliver on a most fundamental assignment that I have from Kenyans on health. I must admit, the youth continue to sustain innovation in our economy with youth-driven startups securing US dollars 700 million last year, among the highest globally, making Kenya a top African investment hub. The youth are also the overwhelming majority of millions of unemployed Kenyans who are relying on our plan to unlock employment opportunities.
An MP, maybe you get this form, you are going to...
Kutumia they shall have paid. Then I'm asking myself, why do we have to take Africans through that, even on a social
water supply?
My question is very human oriented. I'm just saying, like, but that's another question. That's another story.